Hello everybody, and welcome back to a sort of bonus daily plan with me. So I was actually just chatting about this over on Instagram, and I thought that it would be really cool to film on the right day a weekend plan with me, because I realized that I have never done a weekend plan with me in my Plum paper daily. So here's a look at yesterday's plan with me. If you missed that video, that is on my channel. It just went up yesterday, and I'm obviously posting the Saturday one now. So I have some things to check off, or maybe not now that I'm looking at this list. I did not film any reels, and I'm probably not going to get to them. I'm kind of just like tapped out. Maybe it'll happen tomorrow. Maybe it'll happen Sunday. I have gotten to comments and messages, have gone through my emails, and I have looked at some contracts. I still haven't put away laundry. I mean, no one should be surprised by that. And I haven't vacuumed upstairs, but it's probably going to be the first thing that I do when I am done filming this video. But I did get other things done. I guess I can check off my AM routine, right? I did get to the post office. I got all of those giveaway packages out, and I am so freaking thankful. And the trash was picked up, good stuff like that. I did get out of the office nice and early this around lunchtime, so that was great. So let's move on to today, Saturday. And I'm also pulling out these Christian Design stickers again because they're amazing, and a few of them I can already tell you I'm definitely going to use, like the chores and the tidy up. I should probably just grab those right now so that I'm not scrambling for them, and I'm just going to kind of use a blank page here in my sticker book. So I definitely want the chores. I think I'm going to do this larger one here. Oh my goodness. There we go. I was like, it's definitely me that's the problem here. Maybe, yeah, there's going to be some deep cleaning happening. Oy vey. So Saturdays are our day where we just get all the things done. We just get all the things done because we would prefer to not have quite as much to do on Sunday. Like really have a day of rest. So I don't think I need any of the coffee date, happy hour ones. Shopping, errands. I might need errands. Yes. So I do have some things that I need to get done tomorrow as far as like dropping things off for donation. I might use the smaller ones for that. And then, I almost like these morning routine ones too. These are so cute. These were part of a $2 Tuesday. So I grabbed a few because I love all the things lettered by Cindy. I think that these are all lettered by Cindy. I'm almost certain. Okay. So other than that, let's see if we can pick a color for today, because I would like to use some stickers in my planner. Let's see. Maybe some turquoise. I feel like there's enough of those, maybe. I feel like there might be more over here. Let's see. There's a whole lot of peach. I wonder why. Oh my gosh, there's so much of it. There's also the purple. One of the things that I mentioned in yesterday's video was that my next daily is the 7x9 Plum paper, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of excited about ordering some of like the daily duo kits from places like Christian Designs and Planner Kate, because I don't know, stickers just motivate me to use my planner, you guys. Like, I know some people are like, oh, do you really need to sticker your planner every day? And I'm like, well, yes, because I enjoy it. I was trying to grab my Sharpie marker. All right, so let's put these headers down. But I also love looking at other people's like daily planners in the larger size. And I feel like if I were to use like a daily duo kit in here, it's almost too small and it would crowd out some of the things. I don't know. I mean, I'm probably overthinking it, and I kind of don't care. I like trying all the things. So this is just going to be another one of those things that I try. Make sure I also have my dot marker here. So same sections, of course. Focus, my today section, to-dos, and then content, because I'm also going to probably try and squeeze in filming. All right, I don't want to lose the page of stickers that I just pulled because that would be so like me. But I also want to see if with that blue color, maybe we can pull in a half box or so. It doesn't have to be blue, but it would be cute. Let's pull this one. I think I want one of these, and I think that might be it. I think there's more blue up here. I am like obsessed with this sticker book because organizing it by color just makes a little bit more sense for me. And yeah, I think I need this Steve because this is going to be for my Peloton delivery tomorrow, which they actually just called and gave me my scheduled time. So I'm super excited about that. Let's get back to that page before I forget about all of it. All right, so let's just put those there. I love sticker books like this, by the way, for this reason, is so that when you pull stickers, you actually know where the heck everything is. All right, I'll just pull you guys in a little bit closer. And if you noticed, I'm trying another one of my backgrounds from Club Backgrounds. I love them. I just ordered 3 different backgrounds. Yesterday's had one that was a little bit darker. This might be the one that I'm going to stick with. And let me see if the name is on it. This one is Ghost Wood, and yesterday's, you guys are probably like, we do not care, but maybe you do. The other one was Ashen, which is crazy because I wouldn't have considered that name for the color. It was definitely very warm tone, not ash. Anyway, again, overthinking, but I really like this background. Let me know what you guys think, because at the end of the day, I really try to make the experience for you guys be enjoyable, and also for myself as well, because sometimes it can be really hard to film when things are super dark or when they are super bright. So just trying to do things that, you know, are enjoyable to watch, you know? All right, so focus, of course, medication, and then vitamins. And of course, we are going to get in a workout. I mean, hopefully, right? Hopefully with the bike here, I can get everything set up. So one of my goals this evening is to get the area that the bike is going to go in, like get it all prepped and make sure we actually have space for it. I probably should have done that before I ordered it, but that is neither here nor there. Okay, so it's Saturday. I'm not getting up at 4 or 5 in the morning. We're going to do 8 o'clock, and if you know me, I will have already been up before 8. So I break up my day in here when I write out the hours by like 2-hour increments, and that's just what works for me. Do I wish my planner had printed times on it? Maybe. And at the same time, I kind of love the fact that I get to choose the times. It really works for me. So that's what matters, right? Okay, so 8, and then we'll go down to 10. I might stay up later than that. We shall see how long I last after working out, right? All right, so I kind of want to do this whole morning routine sticker right here. And then I'm just going to put my little box because I love checking things off. Was there an evening routine sticker? I should probably put these in a book. I see weekly prep, monthly prep, errands, morning routine. Morning routine. I don't see evening routine. It's probably right there, and I don't see it. It's fine. It's totally fine. Anyway, there's that. Then we are going to do some deep cleaning. We as in me. I think that's what I'm going to put right around here-ish. Maybe that's the plan. Yeah, we're just going to leave it like that. Then for the Peloton delivery, which is actually starting at 12, it's sometime between 12 and 3:30 is what they told us. So put this here. I feel like I should move the deep clean now. I really do. Let's move this a little bit that way. Yeah, the deep clean is bothering me, and I don't think I'm going to be able to get it up without... Nope. We're just going to leave that right there. Oh, I hate that this paper acts this way. Not even going to act like it's not a big deal. No, it's a big deal. It's a big freaking deal. Anyway, especially if you love stickers. So let's put, what do we want to write? Peloton delivery. Yay, I got an overpriced bike. I'm just kidding. I'm totally kidding. I did not give myself enough room on this sticker. Oh my gosh. That's gonna work. That's gonna work. We're gonna make it work. I love that. I love it. I love it. And then we're gonna get fancy with the delivery. I love that. That looks great. It kind of goes well with Cindy's lettering on that sticker right there. Yay! Okay. And I think that that's it. I don't really want to put the time of like my ride, my first ride. I'm going to do like my first ride by myself, you guys. I'm not going to be like, join me. No, because you're going to watch me die in like 2 minutes. It's just not going to happen. All right. I think that's it for now. And then we're going to do we want to do tidy up? I probably pulled more stickers than I needed. That's totally fine. Let's put some dots down. Let's actually, how can I integrate the whole like chore thing? I want to get probably more creative than I should. That's fine. That's fine. Let's do, yeah, we're just going to do it. We're going to do it. So chores, this is so unnecessary and I am okay with it. Now I'm like, I definitely want to order more of these sheets of the script stickers. I just like how doodly that looks. Is doodly even a word? And then I'm just gonna put like a little shadow. Little shadow. Maybe. I think that that looks great. All right, now we will add the dots. Probably not enough dots. I probably should have just filled up the whole page. All right, what are we doing tomorrow? We need to just clean all the things. So we're going to do bathrooms. We need to dust. We need to get all the floors down. Done. Not down. Done. I'm not going to get too specific about like vacuuming, mopping, just no. Laundry, of course, and there's a whole like extra list with that because we need to do towels, we need to do bedding, we need to do all that. There's not a planner big enough at this point. Maybe the 7x9. What else? I feel like there's something else that I needed to do. I really want to clean my oven, but if you watched one of my vlogs where I cleaned my oven, I'm still kind of like, I don't ever want to do that again. All right, I can't think right now, and that's fine. I think I'm just gonna put the 4 dots for my other little habits that I want to get done. And that, of course, is going to be my daily delete. If you have not had a chance to hear me talk about this for the 500th time, it's just where I delete my photos every day from my phone. Not every single photo, just all the extra nonsense that I don't really need on my phone. I want to make sure that I memory plan, spend some time reading, and focus on my skincare. The weekends, I'm really, really good at it. It's the whole other times of the week that I'm like, eh. All right, content might get heavy with some things this weekend. Well, mainly on Saturday. So I would like to film my plan with me on Saturday. And this way I can just lounge around on Sunday and, you know, not stress too much about filming and editing on the same day. Then I'm going to batch some pictures for Instagram for the week. This is something that I did before when I worked not from home prior. I would take multiple pictures on the weekend so that I could use them throughout the week. I don't typically post every single day on my feed on Instagram, but I do try to post like 3 to 4 times a week, sometimes 5, but I actually can go several days and not post anything. It's perfectly fine for me. So I feel like sometimes I just need that break too, because I like responding to things, and sometimes I take on too much by posting so often. And then I have like the guilt of not responding, and it's just this vicious cycle. All right, so we're gonna take some pics. That shouldn't take too long, maybe 30 minutes. Then I think I do want to work on some graphics. Sometimes I work on graphics and they like never see the light of day. I just kind of go through the process, and if I make something that I'm like, yes, that's definitely going to go up, then great. But sometimes I like mess around on Canva and I don't really get very far. So that's just how it is. All right, then of course the usual comments and messages and emails. And I think that that's all for the day. Not too bad for a Saturday. In the evening, don't really have much planned there. It's probably just going to be vegging out on the couch and watching TV, watching Netflix, doing all that fun stuff. So I really love the way that this turned out. I definitely need more of these lettering stickers. I'll leave a link down to Kristen's shop over at Chrissy Ann Designs so that you can check them out for yourself. I don't know if they are still $2 or if they were just a limited time deal, but they're great. They're absolutely great because I could never write like that. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's weekend edition of this daily plan with me. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and if you're already subscribed, make sure that you click that red notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.